Welcome to Tech in the Car. This is the Alpine A110 Pure. This is a beautiful sports car. In this video, I'm going to show you around it and we're going to take it for a drive. This Alpine A110 has a 4-cylinder 1.8 litre engine, which puts out 248 horsepower and 320 Newton meters of torque. And it's very, very rapid because it's very, very light. This car is super, super light, and it's got some really cool design details, including this French tricolore flag on the C-pillar back here, which looks fantastic, to go with this fantastic purple color and these beautiful golden alloy wheels. So how much does this car weigh? It's 1,098 kilograms, and this car can do 0 to 62 in 4.5 seconds. And how much does it cost? Just under £59,000 as spec'd in this black tulip, which is actually more like purple to me, but it's a really beautiful looking car. At the back of the Alpine A110 here, you can see it's got a really interesting design with one exhaust pipe, not two exhaust pipes, not four, no fake exhaust pipes, a real exhaust pipe, and quite a cool looking rear diffuser here. It's got a really, really cool look. It very much harks back to its history when the Alpine original A110 was first released. How about space in the back here? Well, let's have a little look at that. There isn't a lot of space back here, but there's enough for me to fit my camera equipment and enough for you to have in your sports car. And there is of course space on the passenger seat if you need it. At the front of the Alpine A110 is a really cool distinctive Alpine design with these double lights, and it's got these air inlets which bring all the air in to cool the car to help it with that really amazing performance that it has for being such a light car. Let's check out the inside now. Welcome inside the Alpine A110. It's really beautiful in here, from these Alcantara seats with leather quilting to this 12 o'clock racing stripe to the paddle shifters stuck on the steering column. It just feels like a really premium car inside here, and it's got really cool switches here, and it's just really, really special being in this car. Let's take it for a drive. Welcome to the inside of the Alpine A110, and this car is a lot of fun to drive. It feels really light. There's 1,098 kilograms as you're driving it around these country roads in the Cotswolds, and despite having a 1.8 litre engine, it sounds really, really good as well. And this is a lot of fun to drive. The steering feels really precise. The bucket seats really keep you in place. And this car is quite small, so it feels really, really easy to place on these British roads. And you never feel like you're too big for any of these country lanes, which is really, really cool. In terms of the feel inside, it's a really, really comfortable car inside. These seats are actually very comfortable. A bit tricky to get out of, but I think all sport cars are like that. We've got beautiful leather and Alcantara stitching inside. The steering wheel feels really special. We've even got extra cool little speakers on the dashboard here, and we've got an all digital display. We've got a sport button. Let's put it into sport. And it's just a really, really addictive car to drive. And in fact, as we were filming this car, there was even a gentleman that came up to us and said, I've got one of these, I really love this car, and asked us what color it was. So, I mean, you know, this obviously has a very, very loyal fan base. But it feels like a really special car, a lot of fun to drive. If you haven't driven an A110, an Alpine A110, then you should definitely check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Alpine A110. Don't forget to give this video a like if you did, and subscribe for more on Tech in the Car. Thank you very much.